the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. It's my mind and my soul, pressing your pride. Nigga, drink your ego, 'cause I left mine at the door. Just because I let it slide, drowning all of my emotions. I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, and I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door. Is the heart of a woman. Something's going down, there's a way it seems. Ain't no reason why you acting
it's a tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for ISEE hair. Y'all know ISEE hair always gonna come with that heat, and today we have another bomb unit. Believe it or not, y'all, this is a kinky straight unit. Like kinky straight hair, I've been on a run for a little bit. As y'all can see, like some of my couple like past videos have been kinky straight hair. Listen, I love a good silky, you know, situation, but the kinky straight hair, it's just better to me. For one, it's a lot fuller. I like the density that they usually have. It's never like a thin moment. When you have a kinky straight unit, it's always gonna get full. And the thing that I like about this one is that it was already like straight. It didn't come like in a big like afro. It literally came straight, and it came with these bomb layers in it. I know y'all see these layers. Like, you cannot deny the layers in this hair. It's just too bomb. And I like that it just hits perfectly for my head shape. Like, it's not too short, it's not too long, and they executed this so well. Like, I really love what they did with this unit. And we have to get into this color. This is a beautiful jet black color. I love me a good jet black wig. And not only that, you guys, I did a completely glueless install today. So this unit is not glued down whatsoever. This is just how the unit looks, and as y'all can see, it has a good flow to it. Hello, it's not stiff nowhere. It's just giving what it needs to give. Today, you guys, we actually have a closure unit, okay? Y'all know I love a good closure. Y'all know I love a good middle part. This is a very deep middle part too, by the way. And it matches me like perfectly. You don't see any line of demarcation on the hairline here. And they did a good job like pre-plucking it, so it's pre-plucked for you already. You don't have to pluck the hairline. And although this is actually a Tpart closure unit, they still give you enough space in the front so that you're not like skimped out at all. It's just bomb, and it's like perfect because it's very long. I believe this is a 9x6 Tpart lace closure unit. 9 inches across, 6 inches to the back. Y'all see how deep this part is. If you want to style this a little bit different, if you just want to add like some curls in it, it's going to be really pretty as well because of the fullness of this unit and because it already comes pre-layered for you. So if you get tired of wearing it like bone straight like this with the layers, you can go ahead and curl the whole unit and that'll give as well. But like, look at how beautiful this is. Look at the texture on this. This is just so beautiful. Anytime you want to go for a more natural look as a, you know, as a woman of color, I would definitely opt for the kinky straight hair. As you guys can see, it does get silky straight just like, you know, any other straight hair. It's just a lot better to me because of the density. Like, it just holds curls better as well. It doesn't like drop your curls super fast. So, you know, like sometimes when you have hair that's like too straight, you have some hair that's so straight you can only wear it straight, and then you have hair like this where you can curl it, you can wear it straight, and it's just bomb. It's perfect for any occasion. It's definitely giving grown women. It's definitely giving sophisticated. And if you're somebody who doesn't like baby hairs, then you're gonna love this unit because you don't have to have baby hairs in this unit at all. As you guys can see, I have a very natural hairline, okay, on both sides. You can pull the hair back and y'all see what it's giving, okay? It's not like a huge line of demarcation or anything. And like I said, this is a completely glueless install, so I will show you guys really quick. You can lift this unit up. Y'all see where I put the concealer. It got through my lace, and then you can just put it right on back down. Like, this just looks so bomb. I don't know about you, but I just think this is so bomb. The lace is bomb, and you guys see that the knots are actually pre-bleached, so you don't have to bleach the knots on this unit. That comes done for you already. Y'all see what this is giving. Like, this is just so bomb to me. I love this. I love this so much. And this unit is actually 20 inches, so I love the length for this too, especially for this style, because I feel like sometimes when I see people do this on longer hair, it's cool, but then I feel like you end up chopping so much of the hair off versus something like this where, you know, it still gives, you know what I'm saying? It's not doing too much. It just hits perfectly, like from up here all the way down to here. It's almost giving like a lob, like it's giving like a long bob type of vibe. Like I said, this is a 20 inch. This unit does come in shorter inches though. I believe this is the longest inch. Let me check for y'all real quick. Let me check my Palm Pilot. So for this unit, they have a 12-inch, a 14-inch, a 16-inch, an 18-inch, and then of course the 20 that I have in, which is the longest inch. You could definitely go shorter. I've seen some girls who went shorter and that's still just as bomb. So if that's more so your kind of vibe, you don't want something as long, you can definitely get a shorter look. But this is what their 20-inch is giving, and look at that. Oh my god, it's just too bomb. And then also this unit, I got it in a 250% density, but they do have 180% density. But when it comes to like stuff like this, I like my units to be very full, so I did opt for the 250% density, and it's still extremely affordable, you guys. That's another great thing about it. And I know a lot of people are trying to save money, especially when it comes to your hair. Like, not everybody got it like that to just be buying new wigs all the time. So this is definitely one of those ones that you can keep. It's great quality. The lace is just, everything is just perfect with this wig, and it's really comfortable to wear. This unit also comes in a reddish brown color, which I think would be so bomb, especially around this time of year, like the winter time. Like, yes, definitely opt for the reddish brown. And then it also has the pull strap in the very back of the unit as well, so you can just pull it and adjust it. I did show you guys how to do that. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. You literally just take the tab, you pull it, you tighten it, and then you tuck that string right up underneath your unit, and you're good to go. So I'm going to tell you guys how much this unit costs. So the unit that I have, they do have a discount available, so I would highly recommend taking advantage of the discount. With the discount, this unit is only $170. That's it. It's less than $200, you guys. And if you want to go for something shorter, and mind you, that's with the 250% density. You can go 180% density, which gives you more of a natural look, and that one is only $148 with the discount. Like, $148, like, we doing that all day. Like, we could, for $148 you could definitely get this color, and you could get the reddish brown one. Like, okay, and that's for the 20-inch. So if you wanted to do the 18-inch with 180% density, it's $134 with the discount. For the 16-inch, it's only $115, and 16-inch would probably be like right here. Like, just take 2 inches off. So this would be like 16-inch with the layers. Like, that's still giving, like, it's not that much of a difference, honestly. So if I was you, I would hop on this unit like real fast, okay? And y'all see what this is giving. This is kinky straight hair, like I told you, and y'all see what it's giving. It's giving butter. There's no tangling, no shedding. Oh, that's the other thing I forgot to mention. When it comes to these kinky straight units, no tangling. You do not have to worry about your unit being all matted up and tangled in the back like with most other straight hair units. You don't have to walk around with a comb all day trying to make sure, is my hair poofing up in the back, like, or feeling like you need to constantly check and make sure you comb your hair. You don't have that issue with a kinky straight unit. So that's another reason why I love them. It's enough lace too in the front. I did show you guys the inside construction of the unit, so you guys see, you guys get a decent amount of lace. Shout out to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.